In this video, I will be showing you how to fix YouTube dark themes not working. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome, click on the address bar, type YouTube, and press enter. From the Google search results, I click on the YouTube link to open the YouTube homepage. If YouTube is not displaying in dark mode, the issue might be connected to your Windows system settings or your browser configuration. To fix this, I first open the Windows Start menu by clicking the search bar at the bottom, type Settings, and click on the Settings app under Best Match. Once Settings opens, I go to the left side menu and click on Personalization. In the Personalization settings, I click on Colors. Under Choose Your Mode, I click the drop-down menu, which is currently set to Light, and select Dark. This instantly switches Windows system colors to dark mode. Next, I switch back to the Chrome window to check if YouTube updated automatically. I click the refresh button in the top left corner of the browser. As you can see, YouTube is now displaying a dark theme, matching the system settings. If YouTube ever reverts to a light theme or doesn't update, there are a few additional troubleshooting steps you can take. First, click on the three dots menu icon in the top right corner of Chrome and hover over Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. Here, make sure you turn off or disable any extensions or ad blockers that might interfere with site themes or appearance settings. Next, go back to the top right three dots menu and click on Settings. From the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then select Delete Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, make sure the time range is set to all time, then check the boxes for cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. After verifying the selections, click Delete Data. Once the browsing data is cleared, I close the Settings tab and return to YouTube. Finally, if you want to set dark mode directly on YouTube regardless of system settings, click on your profile avatar in the top right corner of the YouTube page. In the drop-down menu, click on Appearance, Device Theme. From the options presented, use Device Theme, Dark Theme, and Light Theme. Click on Dark Theme. The YouTube page will automatically refresh and apply the dark theme permanently to your YouTube account. And that's it, your YouTube dark theme issue is completely resolved. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.